our panel of the Board of Judges to please occupy your seats, for we are about to begin any moment from now. Again, to all the residents of Bagumbayan Sur, come and join us, witness this year's Mardi Gras 2022. Thank you so much. At Barangay Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City, presenting this year's Mardi Gras 2022. May we invite everyone to please all rise as we are about to have our invocation to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Please all rise.
No.
Thank you very much. Please be seated. Truly, tonight will be a showcase of beauty, elegance, and creativity. Good evening, people of Barangay Bagumbayan Sur! Okay, lights on. Okay, pasok na po. Sandals lang po ako for today's video dahil galing pa po tayo sa isang event. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the following SK officials of Barangay Bagumbayan Sur. We have SK Chairman Albert San Agustin Cal. Palakpakan naman po natin sa SK Chairman. Together with his Sangguniang Kabataan Council. But before that, we would like to introduce the panel of the Board of Judges. Are you ready to know our panel of the Board of Judges, people of Bagumbayan Sur? Yes! So let's begin with our judge number 1. Okay, judges, as I call your name, please stand up to be acknowledged and make a wave to our audience. Okay. Our first judge is a makeup artist by profession, a freelance young designer, and he also worked in Singapore as junior designer and male makeup artist from 2018 to 2019. He is also a pageant stylist and trainer, a former pageantera, and a pioneer member of Agawa's Circle of Elite. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our judge number 1, Mr. Christian Go. Good evening po, Kuya Christian. Our next judge is a 24-year-old bachelor and a native of Naga City. A third-year student of Bachelor of Arts in English Language at Lodi College Foundation. A freelance hair and makeup artist. The owner and founder of NY Events team. And a professional host and singer. Ladies and gentlemen, our judge number 2, Mr. Nino Yuson. Our next and third judge is a former SK chairman of Pasig City. Tama po ba? Of Pasig City and operations manager at IBM. People of Bagumbayan, sir, let's give a round of applause to our judge number 3, Mr. Jason Christian Dimaala. Okay, so medyo na-pressure naman tayo dahil meron tayo dito mga judges na mga professional hosts at makeup artists. And of course, at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, before we witness the production number of our candidates, I would like to invite our present barangay officials and SB officials to please occupy the seats in front po. Because tonight, we shall witness our 7 candidates on their production number.
mag-uumpisa hanggat wala akong naririnig na hiyawan. At hindi na rin po ako mag-uumpisa hanggat wala akong naririnig ng palakpakan. Kuya, piccolo ka ba? Piccolo ka ba? Piccolo, a Chinese, a Japanese, a Chinese, Kobe! Kuya, piccolo ka ba? Uy, kuya, piccolo ka ba? Piccolo ka ba? Kasi ikaw yung puputok sa puso ko. Ngayong gabi, hindi lamang po ito tagisa ng ganda at tagisa ng kaganda. Dahil narito po kami ang sangkapaklaan upang magbigay ng saya at ngiti sa inyong mga labi. Dahil ngayong gabi, masasaksihan niyo po ang aming kanya-kanyang national costume na pinaghandaan namin para lang sa inyo. Dahil naniniwala po ako, ang sangkabaklaan na nilalait sa pangmagahan. Ngayong gabi, 100% kami po ay inyong hinahangaan. Dahil ngayong gabi po, hindi po namin kailangan ng hawak. Ang kailangan po namin ay malawak ng kaisipan. Pagkos, respeto, kapatong para sa lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vanessa Segovia at naniniwala sa kasabihan. Pag ang tao dainan ng udo, mayo ng kinakakan.
Ilang libong taon na ang nakararaan, isang layunin ang pinagmulan. Pagkakabuklod-buklod po ng isang kabaklaan, tungo sa mahusay na pagpapakilalan. I always believe that simplicity is beauty and being simple is truly remarkable. Standing here in front of you is your favorite little girl. My name is Trisha May Ciudadano, 21, at gusto ko lamang pong sabihin, welcome to my hometown, Bagumbayan Sur, Urban Queborac, City of Naga. At naniniwala po ako sa katotohanan na ang tunay na rinig kailanman, hindi pinapangalandakan kung ilang beses ka lang natutungan ng corona. Pagkos ang iyong pakumbabaan at kabusilakan ng iyong kalooban ay tiyak nahihiramin kang reyna. Dahil minsan, sa kagustuhan ho nating maging magaling, nakakalimutan na po natin ang maging mabuti. Salamat po. sa inyong harapan ang nag-iisang diwata na mukhang kawatan. By the way, I am Nelly Bimuro, yung 17 years old sinner. At naniniwala sa kasibiyang. Aalamin mo ang sexy body kung natikman na ng everybody. Thank you and good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Ano na itong bataang mic? May nagsisipilyo si candidate number 4. Ang kainat ko langaw, mabata ang sa imong hangaw. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening, Bagumbayan Sur. Candidate number 4, payatot ka na, mukhang alat ka pa. My name is Juliana Paristova, Segovia, and all the way from the Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City. Na nag-iiwan ng mga katagang, life isn't about finding yourself. Life is all about creating yourself. And then the next is, be who you are, not others want to see. Sa nilaringlang po ng ating narating at pinanggalingan, ngunit isa lamang po ang aking may sigurado. Sa ganitong patimpala, ay kalbang tatapag.
Good evening, the people of Barangay Bagumbayan. I'm Joanna Eloisa Sangguniang, 26 years old, stunner, and proud and dignified to represent our beloved barangay, Bagumbayan Sur. Thank you.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Hindi kumulakpak masusunugan ngayong gabi. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nandito na ang nagula sa langit, bumaba sa lupa, upang patuwad-tuwadin at tira-tirahin sa ilalim ng bago mo po iwan tong apat na sulok na inundado nito, nais magbigay ng kataghan. Kung ang mga babae ay tinatawag na nababo, at kung ang mga lalaki naman ay tinatawag na tubo, kami, mga bakla, ay tinatawag na tubero. Tubero na, sumitip-sip sa mga barati nyo, tubo! Danap lang, Lord!
Okay, there you have it. So our 7 candidates vying for this year's Mardi Gras. So, by the way, this is not just a competition of creativity and beauty. This is also the awarding of academics winners during the conduct of Sangguniang Kabataan 2022. Of course, spearheaded by the Sangguniang Kabataan of Bagumbayan Sur. but while waiting for the results of the winners from the different activities conducted by the Sangguniang Kabataan, we would like to highlight the organizer of this Miss Mardi Gras 2022. May we give a round of applause to Honorable S.D. Kagawad, Erica Saison, the organizer of this year's Mardi Gras 2022. Palakpakan po natin si Erica Salon. And of course, the hardworking SK Chairman of Bagumbayan Sur, Albert San Agustin Cao, with his SK Council, Honorable Johnny Ancamba, Honorable Janica Elaine Federes, Honorable Grace Therese Pimentel, Honorable Roy Baluciado, Honorable Jomar Casin, and Honorable Sheila Lucero. And of course, SK Secretary Emily Marie Babasa, and Punong Barangay, Ricardito G. Balus, and Barangay Kagawad Pin Kamba. Thank you so much, Barangay and SK Council of Bagumbayan Sur. And at this moment, alam ko naman po that you are very much excited again to see our Mardi Gras 2022 candidates. But before that, we shall witness once again a dance performance from the Barangay Bagumbayan Sur Dance Team. Again, let us all welcome once again for a dance performance, the Barangay Bagumbayan Sur Dance Company. moment, aside from being excited to see our candidates vying for the titles of Mardi Gras 2022, we are also much excited to receive the awards, tama? From the winners of the recently conducted Linggo ng Kabataan activities. Ano po, spearheaded by the Sangguniang Kabataan officials of this barangay. So, people of Barangay Bagumbayan, sir, okay pa po ba tayo dyan sa likod? So yung mga winners po natin during the Linggo ng Kabataan celebration, I hope you are all prepared receiving your certificates and tokens, I guess, or maybe a cash prize. We have tokens and grocery packs. Okay, grocery prepared by the Sangguniang Kabataan officials of Bagumbayan School. Okay, bago po yun, alamin po natin kung ano po yung criteria for judging. On the recently concluded production number, we have 30% for the poise and bearing, 30% for the mastery of 30% for the self-introduction, and 10% for audience impact. A total of 100%. The attentions of all the winners. Kung wala po yung ating kaibigan or yung mga nanalo, any representatives from your clans or by with your friends or any of representatives from your zone officers. So I guess we shall start awarding the winners. Starting with the academics event. We will be starting our awarding of certificates to the following persons as they have participated on the recently conducted Spelling Bicol held at Urban Calvert Court, Bagumbayan, Naga City, Camarines Sur, Philippines, given this 27th day of August 2022. Signed by Honorable Ricardito Galuz, Punong Barangay, signed Honorable Janica Elaine Federis as the Kagawad and Project Director, signed Honorable Albert San Agustin Cao as the Chairman. May I call on our SC officials? Officials, SK Chairman Ahmed Cao, SK Kagawad Janica Elaine Federis, and others to assist. Certificate of participation will be receiving a 200 peso cash as consolation prize. So lahat po na nag-participate worth of grocery. yung marireceive po ng ating mga participants. So lahat po na nag-participate ay marireceive at wala po tayong ihiraping talunan. Lahat po may iuuwi. Certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Miss Colleen Camba. The same certificate is hereby awarded to Miss Azinet Nope. Any representative for Azinet Nope? Okay, thank you very much. The same certificate of appreciation is hereby awarded to Mr. Agustron Nope. Again, Mr. Agustron Nope. Consolation prize, the same certificate is awarded to Miss Clarice Camba. Miss Clarice Camba. Okay, upon receiving your consolation prizes, may we invite the the participants to please proceed at the center for a group photo opportunity. The same goes to the other winners. Thank you very much and thank you for participating in this year's Sangguniang Kabataan, Linggo ng Kabataan 2022.
May bang balon na dito.
And now we are about to award the certificate of achievement to the following persons hailing as the second runner-up, first runner-up, and spelling Bicol champion. As I call your name, please be in front to receive your prize. Spelling Bicol second place is Miss Jasmine Lorraine Camba. Wow, ang galing naman. I can still recall this lady is participant or candidate of Miss Bagumbayan. Miss Bagumbayan, sir, binibining Bagumbayan, sir. Ang ganda, even without makeup. Spelling Bicol first place is Miss Jessamine Martiriana. Congratulations! And this year's Spelling Bicol champion goes to Mr. Jake Camero. winners for a group photo opportunity with SK Kagawan, Honorable Elaine Fidelis. Yan, people of Bagumbayan Sur! Palakpakan naman po natin ang winners ng spelling beacon. Okay, coming up for the certificate of participation to all the participants of Quiz B. So, sa lahat po ng participants ng Quiz B, as I call your name, please proceed in front and receive your consolation prizes. With the same certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Miss Rochelle Santa Ana. Miss Rochelle Santa Ana. With the same certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Miss Angeline Ella. Miss Angeline Era, please receive your certificate and consolation prize. Food pack worth of 200 peso. Any representative from the clans or any representative from the ASCII officials, please receive the certificate. Tapos hatiin na lang natin yung food packs. Okay, next certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Miss Jessamine Martiliana. Okay, may nakadalawa na. Sabi nga niya, utakat lang ang laban. Di ba? Pag uli, mas dako daw niya pa ang gana, di ba? Okay, next certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Mr. Carl Godwin Pempenia. That certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Osaya Clemente. Mr. Osaya Clemente. The same certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Miss Jessica Marie Federis. Okay, next certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Miss J. Ann Kamba. And we have SK Chairman Ahmed Gao. Nananangayag pa. Super run free baby. Next certificate is awarded to Mr. Ferdinand Agdoro Jr. Mr. Ferdinand Agdoro Jr. place. Our second place during the Sangguniang Kabataan, Linggo ng Kabataan 2022 Quiz Bee. Second place is Mr. Lorenzo Federis. Okay, congratulations. Our first place under Quiz Bee event, Mr. James Loresco. Congratulations, James. And let me read the citation for the certificate of achievement to our Quiz Bee champion during the Sangguniang Kabataan Linggo ng Kabataan 2022 Quiz Bee held at Urban Covered Court, Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City, Camarines Sur, Philippines. Given this 27th day of August 2022 is hereby awarded to Miss Marianne Kit Chudoro. Any representative? Participants, winners, and non-winners, congratulations and thank you very much. See you next year. At this moment, our Mardi Gras candidates are now ready to present their festival attire. So are you ready, guys? Before that, let me present to you the criteria for judging, for you to be able be judged, maging judge din kayo ng sarili niyong mga mata. Aside from our judges, we have 30% costume, creativity, and originality, 25% for the poise and elegance, 20% for the overall beauty, and 25% for the stage presence and overall performance. A total of 100%. So ladies, gentlemen, and my friends from the LGBTQIA+, let us all welcome once again our Mardi Gras 2022 on their festival attire. Thank you. Again, ladies and gentlemen, candidates number 1, Miss Get Beauty Zone Protocol. The Festival of Nature is a new Salty Queborac, Naga City. Her motto, ang taong dahil natutudo, mayo kinakapa. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. I'm wearing my national costume to represent the Peña Francia Festival of the Philippines. And I always believe, ladies and gentlemen, for you to be able to win the best national costume, it's not how big, how glamorous, and how expensive your costume is, but it is how you give life and pride to the costume. Thank you so much.